Judge moves toward nixing juror in Sean Diddy Combs trial over lack of candor. The judge in Sean Diddy Combs' sex crimes trial moved closer to dismissing a juror, 2 days after prosecutors raised issues about the man's alleged lack of candor with the court. U.S. District Judge Arun Subramanian indicated he would be ordering for juror number 6's removal from the 12-person jury on Friday, June 13. 6 alternates have been on the sidelines in the trial, which is wrapping its 6th week in Manhattan federal court. In court, Subramanian said, removal of the juror is required and added, the juror will be dismissed. The reason was several inconsistencies in the man's answers regarding where he lives. Subramanian continued, the juror is unable to answer simple questions. There are serious questions about the juror's candor and ability to follow instructions. Though it seems like a trivial matter, it goes to a juror's basic criteria to serve, he said. Because of the changing answers and inconsistency, Subramanian said it brings up questions about whether the juror was truthful in responding to other questions more directly related to the case. Defense attorney Xavier Donaldson objected to the juror's dismissal. Subramanian responded that he would continue to take the issue under consideration over the weekend. What were juror number 6's inconsistencies? According to the judge, juror number 6 offhandedly told a member of the jury department that he had recently moved in with his girlfriend in New Jersey, where he had been staying most of the time. June 13 in court, Ye makes appearance, assistant says he slipped and fell from baby oil cleanup. When asked where he lived during jury selection in early May, he'd said he was living in the Bronx with his fiancée and baby daughter, Subramanian said. In yet another interview, juror No. 6 allegedly said he stayed 4 to 5 nights each week in an apartment in New York, where he worked and completed jury responsibilities. He'd also mentioned living with his aunt in New York. What happened with juror number 6? Before the jury entered the courtroom June 11, prosecutors reportedly asked the judge to oust one of them, known as juror number 6, according to outlets including NBC News and CNN. Per NBC News and The Washington Post, Assistant U.S. Attorney Maureen Comey told Subramanian she saw what appeared to be a lack of candor with the court from juror number 6 that raises serious issues. Alexandra Shapiro from Combs' team reportedly pushed back against the request, calling it a thinly veiled effort to dismiss a black juror, The Post and ABC News reported. Combs, 55, was arrested in September and charged with sex trafficking, racketeering, and transportation to engage in prostitution. He has pleaded not guilty.